the shop. All right, this morning I'm going to help a friend with a 1934 Buick. It's a show car they're trying to sell. Got a bad alternator. Went over there the other day and put a battery in it, and that was a chore. Had to take the seat out, and I'll show you here in just a minute. Had to take the seat out, passenger front seat out, to get to the battery because it's mounted in a box under the floor, and the passageway to that box is under the seat, so you got to remove the seat to get to it. Not fun. Bad spot to put the battery, but anyway, it is what it is, and we got that replaced. Well, I realized that the volt gauge wasn't going up after we did that, so I did some testing and realized that the alternator's not putting out. So we're gonna go I pulled the alternator off already. I had it rebuilt because it's a chrome alternator, and we're gonna go over there and pop it back on, see if this thing will charge now. All right, I threw the tool bag in the bed of the El Camino. Jump in this thing. I haven't drove this car in a few days. Oh, you know. Okay. Got my binder and my insurance. I had to grab my insurance binder and the tag receipt because I have not put a tag on this thing yet. I'm waiting on a bill of sale. Ooh, fired right up. I like that. Been sitting for about 3 days. All right. All right, we're here. Check out the 34 Buick. I pulled the alternator off this thing about a week ago. I gotta stick it back on. There's just enough room to get the alternator out without having to pull the radiator. Looks like a Buick motor. Engine. This car is for sale. It has been driven all up down the East Coast. They said they drove it from Georgia to New York. And took a vacation over to Vermont, I believe she said. Drove all over the place, going to car shows and just seeing the sights. This is a beautiful car. Just beautiful. Gorgeous. Air conditioning. Doors shut good. I mean, dude, this is a 1934, excuse me. 1934. It's your luggage compartment on the back. I guess that's what that's for. Suicide doors. Just flat out gorgeous car. Gorgeous. And can be driven. That's the cool part of it. She does have somebody interested in buying it. It's coming next week. But if anybody's interested, I can put you in touch. All right, we'll grab grab some tools out of the El Camino. Got the alternator. I'll get this thing put on real quick. Alright, alternator's back on, belt's tight. I like this alternator setup. Simple. It's got a turnbuckle. I didn't even have to loosen it, just took the bolt out. Took this bottom bolt out, was able to slide it over to get the belt off, and reversed it to put it back on. Put the belt on first, put the bottom bolt in. Or actually, I put the bottom bolt in, flopped the alternator in, put the belt on, pulled it back, put this bolt in. One wire GM alternator. Nice and simple 12-volt system. All right, let's see if she'll crank up. Oh yeah. Volts are charging. Choke works. No smoke. Let it warm up a minute. Sure that hood opens up more than that, but it's really heavy, and it's got a little prop rod deal, and I didn't want to damage anything, scratch anything, so I just opened it up just enough where I could get into that alternator. The car's a little bit out of my league as far as pay scale, so I don't want to damage anything. Sounds like it's purring like a kitten. We'll see if it will kick down here in just a second. Get a sip on my tea. Goes in gear. Still idle a little high. Man, I can cruise this thing. I don't know how you work the lights. See what it looks like with the lights on. Gangster. We buttoned her up. Me and me. I buttoned her up. She's looking good. Sounds like it's running good. It's ready for the next buyer. If you're interested in this car, I believe you could get it for $65,000. This car is well worth more than that. A car that you could cruise around the country in style, with air conditioning. I mean, what more can you ask for? I don't know all the details about this car. I was just asked to come over and replace a battery, and then we figured out the alternator was bad, so I fixed that for him, got it rebuilt because it's a chrome unit. We didn't want to just put like an AutoZone alternator or something like that on here. I had a real deal remanufacturer local here go through the alternator, and she's good to go. She's charging, she's running, she's ready for a road trip, ready for a car show, ready for whatever you want to do. Go to the grocery store, go to the Good Guys car show, I don't know. Cruise up and down the coast. 65K, she could be yours. I wouldn't wait long though, because it'll be gone. She does have a buyer coming to look at it in a few days. Just been waiting to come see it, so it may be gone in a few days anyway. But what a car for that kind of money. I mean, really, never gonna lose any value in something like that if you keep it up. That's money in the bank right there. All right, guys, just gonna wrap this one up. It was a short one. Just wanted to show you what I was getting into this morning. Just a quick and easy repair, and helping somebody else, helping a friend out. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't. It's down there in the corner. Give me a thumbs up. Hey, it's all free. Help me out, grow this channel. Hit the subscribe, hit the thumbs up, share it, give me a comment, tell me what you're thinking. Hopefully it won't be rude. Get those from time to time, but a lot of positive stuff. I appreciate everybody's feedback on these videos, and keep them coming. Thanks. See you in the next one. Peace.